Big Bull is a fairly mediocre movie, and apart from its obvious Abhishek Bachchan attraction, it does not have much to offer, especially regarding the film length. I believe that the first half is more interesting than the second half, and if they would have shortened the second half to be more fit for the first half, I guess the movie would have got more attraction. Abhishek Bachchan comes back to stealing the big screen, but unfortunately the story isn't very supportive of it, hence the impact isn't created. That's why I feel that the movie length could have been shorter to be more justified and plus more precise to his content. It would have got more attraction, and his work is fine, but again it's not justified because of the story. The dialogues also could use a little bit of work since they lack polish. They're more vague and more, very, very, very Bollywoody. They could use a little bit work. Meanwhile, the Scam 1992 is a series based on real events, whereas this movie is based on fiction. So I don't really see the point of comparison since they're clearly built for different audiences and different focuses. So obviously they will have a lot of differences, and I understand why some people would find the Scam 1992 be more attractive, more bold, more enjoyable than Big Bull, but again, different audiences, different focuses. Lastly, I believe that the movie should be watched without any anticipation or presumptions about the movie or about the characters, because you need a clean mind to really, grasp the movie. Otherwise, you won't find yourself enjoying it. That's it.
To be honest, Big Bull was not that great, not that intriguing. Abhishek Bachchan's performance was nothing new, it's like average. I loved Supriya Pathak's and Ram Kapoor's performance in this movie. Soham's performance was outstanding, it was to the point. I think the cinematography impressed me the most. Scam 1992 was far better.
The Big Bull. The Big Bull is another Bollywoodized film based on true events. A sloppy screenplay and unimpressive dialogues test your patience for 2 hours 30 minutes. With VFX of the world of late 80s and early 90s has been well created, but everything looks staged than natural. Abhishek Bachchan's performance also looked caricaturish. Talking with the writer, Kuki Gulati's direction has struggled to chronicle one of the biggest scams in India. The supporting actors including Eliana D'Cruza and Soham Shah don't have much to leave on their mark. Soham Shah is definitely an actor wasted in the role of Abhishek Bachchan's brother.